Hello everyone, welcome again to my channel. If you're new here, I am Hamid from English AF. Today we're gonna cover two confusing verbs. And those two verbs are embrace and embarrass. If you do not know their pronunciation difference and their meaning, stay tuned to know the difference. The first one, it is embrace. It is a two-syllable word and it stresses on the second syllable, embrace, embrace. And it means to hug someone or to accept something willingly and positively. To give you an example, she embraced her mother after a long time, and it means she hugged her mother after a long time. And its second meaning is an abstract meaning, which is to accept something willingly. To give you an example, when you move to a new city, when you go there, everything is different. Their culture, their custom, their language, it is different. In order to live there, you gotta embrace the changes. You gotta embrace everything there. And the second verb is embarrass, embarrass. It is a three-syllable word and it stresses on the second syllable. Embarrass, embarrass. And it means to make someone feel shy or ashamed or maybe awkward or uncomfortable, especially or usually in front of the other. To give you an example, let's say you found a new friend and then he is not your childhood friend, and then when you go to your home, your parents brings an album in front of your friends and your parent shows some picture of your childhood, and maybe you are not as beautiful as you are right now in those pictures that you took when you were a kid. Then you feel a bit embarrassed in front of your friend for those picture. Or maybe if you are in a meeting and then your boss or your manager talks about your mistakes with your coworker, and then in that time you feel a bit shy or embarrassed because your boss is talking about your mistakes. There's a lot of example you can use this way. So thank you guys for watching. I'm just a new YouTuber. I hope you guys support me. Thank you again.